Alright, welcome to episode 3 of my great guitar build of 2023 freestyle entry. This is the one where I finish everything. I put together the neck and the body and I put some strings on. Well, it's been a bit of a wild ride, but well, you'll see. But it's finally finished and I'm very, very happy with the result. So without further ado, go check it out. Alright, it's time to put the two parts together and make it into an actual instrument. First I'll be routing out the neck pocket and then there's gonna be some gluing. I have a problem. So I glued it all in and it looks fine at first glance, but there's a degree off the neck, and so that means with all these straight lines, you'll see it. I'll see it. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I need to get this neck off again. Since there are so many glue joints, I can't use steam, so I'll have to cut it out with a multi-tool. So yeah, watch me do that. Not gonna lie, that was absolutely terrifying. But I managed to separate these two again. So now I need to, well, clean up the cavity, actually make it straight and the way it should be. But obviously now the neck is too small for the cavity, so I will be using, as I do, veneer. So I'll put veneer all around so that the neck fits again. And like this, I can join these two again. And hopefully this time's the good one. All right, let's try this again. So I just realized that the jack for the pickup I am gonna be using works only with a sound hole that makes it possible to get the washer in from the other side. I do not have that, so I had to figure out what else to do. I think I'm gonna just drill a hole for the barrel and then recess the washer into it, glue it in with some epoxy, and then I can take it in and out whenever I need to. And like this, it's a permanent kind of thing, but not as permanent as just gluing the jack in. So I can still take it out and stuff. Also, since there's a slant on the side, it's nicer to recess this part as well. So like this, it's like straight compared to the center line and not at an angle. Okay, so now it's time for me to build a bridge. It's the first time I do something like this because usually I do electric instruments and just buy the bridges. So that's going to be interesting. I'm using this nice piece of rosewood, which I think is an offcut of a fretboard of a bass that I built. So yeah, I'm going to try to make a nice shape and yeah, still need to figure out how to do it, but we'll manage. All right, so now that everything is brought up to sheen, I need to figure out where to put this and then glue it on. There's very, very little room for mistake, so I cannot screw this up. So yeah, I'm not nervous at all. here we go. I mean, what a bumpy ride, but I am so happy with the result of it. Like the back of the neck, I'm super happy with. The back of the body's absolutely awesome. The front, we have the fretboard, which honestly I think I will continue doing these kinds of things on my fretboards from now on. We have the 3D effect here on the side, but also just the top, which looks awesome. And even the little detail here where I had to fix my screw up. Honestly, I think it looks so nice. I am very happy I made that mistake, so I needed to put some more veneer in there. So very nice. The head, very cool as well. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. I won't be able to make a demo in time because I am leaving on a trip. But as soon as I come back, I will make a nice demo, take the time, really do something cool. And then I'll also start working on my scratch build. I won't have that much time, but my idea is very clear. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.